So a little comparison of something that's been turned twice and dry and something that's been turned once in green. Same tree, same exact tree. There it goes. Oh, come on. But that's got some heavy, heavy warping. Heavy warping. And this is pretty pristine and clean. Both from the same exact tree though. But this one needed to be flat. I didn't want a lot of warping in it because it's going to be a cake stand for my nephew's wedding this weekend. So, and then this one's just cool. But that's Michigan Black Cherry.